Love's in the wind. Pussy like doves in the wind.
Sweet sensation. Yeah, I'm feeling a sweet temptation from your body. Yeah, I wanna taste it, if that's alright. And girl, I might just fall in love with you tonight, if we do it right. Don't know your language, but I'm reading your lips, and I think they wanna say, come closer to your space. Kisses on a black cigarette. All this heat from your ashes fogging up my glasses. Sweet sensation. Yeah, I'm feeling a sweet sensation from your body. Yeah, girl, you kiss so good, I should pay for it. I feel your soul vibrate like a bass chord, so we should ride this way like a rainbow. Girl, I don't know your language, but I'm reading your lips, and I think they wanna say, come closer to your space. Red kisses on a black cigarette. All this heat from your ashes fogging up your glasses now. Sweet sensation. Yeah, I'm feeling a sweet sensation from your body. Yeah, girl, you kiss so good, I should pay for it. I feel your soul vibrate like a bass chord, so we should ride this way like a wakeboard. Sweet sensation. Yeah, I'm feeling a sweet temptation from your body. Yeah, I wanna taste it, if that's alright. And girl, I might just fall in love with you tonight, if we do it right. Don't know your language, but I'm reading your lips, and I think they wanna say, come closer to your space. Red kisses on a black cigarette. All this heat from your ashes fogging up my glasses. Sweet sensation. Yeah, I'm feeling a sweet sensation from your body. Yeah, girl, you kiss so good, I should pay for it. I feel your soul vibrate like a bass chord, so we should ride this way like a rainbow. Girl, I don't know your language, but I'm reading your lips, and I think they wanna say, come closer to your space. Red kisses on a black cigarette.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna, and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I have this cute Yaki textured wig. I believe it's 12 inches if I'm not mistaken. And it's a full frontal wig, so it's a 4 by 13 by 4. I think that's the numbers. That's it. So this is a Amazon vendor. Here's the box. The box is really pretty. I like the pink and the white. Yeah. And then this is the hair. And you seen the clip before of me customizing the wig. Y'all see I ain't have to do no plucking nowhere. Like, it looks so natural. Very natural. And then I just put some little curls in it to bump it. And it honestly looked like this could be my actual hair. Like, for real. I really, really love it. It's so cute. So with shedding and tangling, I don't get any tangling. Well, I just got a little snag there. A little snag. So I get a little tangling. I ain't gonna say it's a lot. It ain't something to be like, oh, it's not stuck in my head. but I can run my fingers through it and it's cool, like no problems at all. So with tangling, with shedding, I don't get any shedding at all. So I take this brush, no shedding or nothing. Yeah, no shedding at all. So that is really, really good. The hair, like I said, I didn't do any plucking. It came very natural. All I did was spray some lace tint on it, and I put some makeup. I put a little dab of this color on it, and then just smooth it around it. And yeah, there you go. So the wig was really easy to bump, to keep very well. It strained really well. I'm pretty sure if I went through and did smaller sections too, it would have got like straighter, but like this is fine, like because I was bumping it anyway. So yeah, there's the back. Yeah, so that is it for this review part. Very short, but the wig speaks for itself. Y'all see it's very bomb. Y'all see it's moving. Okay. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell so you know when I post again. And yeah, comment down below if y'all got any questions or anything, because I'm going to answer them. Alright, bye guys.
I would wait for your boss, don't be late, no, no, no.